How to connect GoHighLevel with Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. But first, if you want to get a 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel instead of the default 14 and also some more bonuses, you can just click on the description down below and follow along the video. So let's just go and get back to the video. Okay, so the first thing that we will do, we're just going to start off from GoHighLevel side of things. We're just going to log into our sub account, and from here we are just going to scroll down to the bottom left and click on settings. Scroll down some more and you should be able to find integrations. Simply click on that, and then we're just going to go ahead and scroll down until we find Shopify. It should be here somewhere. I think I missed it. Yep, it's right here, Shopify, and you simply just want to click on connect. So the first step would be to actually add the URL to your Shopify store. So you can just go in and get that from your Shopify. And once you click on next, you're going to find the different elements that you want to import, like contact import, order import, the product import, and collection import as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and import the product, but you can obviously select whatever you want and click on next. It's pretty much the same thing, but with syncing. So whether you want to have the contact, product, collection, and also the order, and you can just click on save. So just like that, it's going to automatically open up Shopify for you and install the app for you, which is Lead Connector. So simply click on install. And by the way, this is a page that will pop up by itself. I did not actually go and install it. It just opened up for me. And just like that, I have both GoHighLevel and Shopify connected and synced. So if I just go to Shopify to prove it, these are the dummy products that I have for Shopify. And if I just go back to GoHighLevel and go to payments and products, they have been also added in here for me from Shopify. I did not actually add them in here myself. And obviously now you can work with automations, and there's a lot that you can do with Shopify and GoHighLevel. But with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.